Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 6 foods rich in collagen and how they can help restore collagen in your face. Collagen loss is a natural part of aging, leading to sagging skin and fine lines. But with the right dietary approach, you can naturally boost your skin's firmness and support its structure from the inside out. Think of collagen as the scaffolding for your skin, giving it strength, elasticity, and plumpness. As we age, our natural collagen production slows down, but nutrition can help. By choosing foods that supply collagen or support its synthesis, we can make a significant difference in our skin's appearance. In this video, we'll explore 6 fantastic foods that can make a real impact. We'll look at how each one works and how you can easily incorporate them into your daily meals. So, if you're ready to nourish your skin from within and reclaim a more youthful complexion, stay tuned. Let's get started on this journey to healthier, firmer skin together. Let's kick things off with our first powerhouse food, bone broth. Bone broth is an ancient elixir consumed for centuries for its incredible health benefits, including skin health. It provides type 1 collagen, crucial for skin structure and resilience. When you sip on bone broth, you're feeding your skin what it needs. Type 1 collagen is the main structural component of our skin. As we age, collagen production diminishes. Consuming bone broth regularly can help replenish these building blocks. The slow simmering process releases collagen and amino acids. These components are crucial for skin health. The collagen is broken down into peptides, making it easier to absorb. By incorporating bone broth into your diet, you can start to notice improvements in your skin's elasticity and tone. It helps reinforce the elastin fibers and the overall dermal matrix, contributing to that springiness. This means your skin may appear less saggy and more toned over time. Bone broth can also help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by supplying the components needed to rebuild and strengthen the collagen framework. For some, it might be a daily cup, while for others, it might be incorporating it into soups, stews, or sauces several times a week. The key is consistency. You can make your own at home or purchase high-quality pre-made versions. Bone broth is a traditional food packed with skin-loving nutrients, providing type 1 collagen, supporting elasticity, and helping reduce wrinkles. Next up, let's talk about chicken skin, a hidden gem for collagen production. Chicken skin is rich in glycine and proline, essential for your body to synthesize its own collagen. Glycine is the most abundant amino acid in collagen, forming its tight triple helix structure. Proline is crucial for the stability of the collagen helix and is a precursor to hydroxyproline. Consuming chicken skin provides your body with these vital building blocks. Your body can then use these amino acids to produce new collagen fibers where they're needed most. Including chicken skin in your diet can significantly support your overall skin health and contribute to its firmness. When your body has enough glycine and proline, it can more efficiently repair and rebuild the collagen matrix. This leads to skin that is structurally sound and has a healthier, more vibrant appearance. The impact on skin firmness is particularly noteworthy. By ensuring your body has enough glycine and proline from sources like chicken skin, you're helping to maintain the integrity and strength of the collagen fibers. This can help counteract sagging and maintain a more youthful contour to your face. Roasted or baked chicken skin is a better option than deep fried. Even moderate consumption can contribute these valuable amino acids to your system. Chicken skin is a natural source of glycine and proline, fundamental for your body's collagen production. Our third collagen-boosting food is egg whites. Egg whites contain hydroxyproline, a critical building block for collagen. Hydroxyproline stabilizes the collagen triple helix structure. Adding egg whites to your meals helps your body produce more collagen. Hydroxyproline gives collagen its strength and stability. Egg whites provide proline and some preformed hydroxyproline. This helps your body assemble strong, healthy collagen fibers. Increased collagen production leads to smoother skin. New, stronger collagen helps plump up the skin, reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Egg whites are versatile and can be easily incorporated into your diet. They can be used in omelets, smoothies, baking, or as a snack. Egg whites are an affordable and effective food for supporting collagen production. They help build more robust collagen, leading to smoother, firmer, and more youthful-looking skin. Our fourth food is fish, especially when consumed with its skin. Fish is a top source of marine collagen, particularly type 1 collagen. Marine collagen is highly bioavailable, allowing for easier absorption and utilization by the body. Eating fish with the skin provides the necessary collagen to help maintain skin structure. The skin of the fish is rich in collagen peptides. Consuming fish with its skin helps reinforce the dermal matrix, responsible for skin strength and resilience. This helps prevent sagging and maintain a more youthful facial contour. Fatty fish like salmon are excellent choices for their collagen content and omega-3 fatty acids. Cod, mackerel, and snapper are other good options. Grilling, baking, or pan-searing fish with the skin maximizes collagen intake. Fish skin offers a potent dose of marine collagen, supporting skin health. It helps maintain your skin's structure and provides crucial amino acids for collagen production. Regularly consuming fish with its skin can help keep your skin tighter and more lifted. It's a proactive approach to maintaining youthful skin. Embrace fish with its skin as a regular part of your diet for nourishing your skin from the inside out. Our fifth food group is citrus fruits, packed with vitamin C, essential for collagen production. Fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes enhance your body's ability to create collagen. Vitamin C acts as a crucial catalyst in the collagen synthesis pathway. It helps proline and lysine undergo hydroxylation, forming hydroxyproline and hydroxylysine. Without enough vitamin C, collagen production is impaired. Regularly consuming citrus fruits ensures your body has an ample supply of this vital nutrient. An orange a day or a squeeze of lemon in your water can make a big difference. Vitamin C optimizes the body's collagen-producing enzymes. It helps produce higher quality, more stable collagen. Vitamin C is also a potent antioxidant, protecting existing collagen from damage. It neutralizes free radicals, which can cause collagen degradation. Citrus fruits provide a dual role building new collagen and protecting existing collagen. Incorporate citrus fruits into your diet for a consistent supply of vitamin C. Enjoy them whole, juice them, or add them to your meals. Citrus fruits are essential for building and maintaining youthful, resilient skin. Last on our list are berries, packed with powerful antioxidants. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries protect existing collagen from damage. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, preventing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress leads to collagen breakdown and skin aging. Free radicals come from UV radiation, pollution, and internal processes. Antioxidants in berries like polyphenols and ellagic acid stop free radicals from damaging collagen. This helps maintain the integrity and strength of your collagen network. Consuming berries reduces oxidative stress, slowing collagen degradation. This helps retain skin firmness, smoothness, and a youthful appearance. Berries also have anti-inflammatory properties, promoting a healthier complexion. Different berries offer different antioxidants, so consume a variety. Blueberries are high in anthocyanins, strawberries in vitamin C and ellagic acid, and raspberries in ellagic acid. Mix them into your breakfast, smoothies, or snacks. Berries are a delicious and effective way to protect your skin's collagen. They help maintain youthful, resilient skin. So there you have it. Our top 6 foods to help boost collagen and restore a more youthful look to your face. From bone broth and fish skin to chicken skin and egg whites, citrus fruits and berries, consistency is key. Incorporate these foods into your diet to naturally restore your skin's firmness and elasticity. Achieve a youthful, radiant appearance from the inside out. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to your healthy, glowing skin.